Hello and welcome to our channel NH Programming. Hope you all are doing good. So, this is our very first video, and in this video, we'll be presenting our project An Alarm Clock.
Now I am going to demo the program. Just click on run button or press F5. Now as you can see on this output screen, we have to enter the path to the music file. Just copy the path. For that, just go on properties, copy this path and paste it here. And don't forget to write the file name with its extension. So now I'll write bell.mp3 and press enter. Now this screen or this window will pop up. You have to enter the time in 24 hours format. So it's 57 right now, so I'll write 58, and here you can write any message. So I'll write test and click on submit. Now alarm will ring exactly at 5:58. Just wait till 5:58 and the alarm will ring exactly at 5:58. As you can see, now the alarm window or the alarm is ringing. So our program to stop, just click on OK. So as you can see, our code has worked properly.
That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you guys want us to explain our projects to you, comment down below. See you guys later. Bye.